Run. She runs every day. Jump. He jumps over the fence. Swim. He swim in the lake. Read. She reads a book weekly. Write. She writes letters to friends. Speak. She speaks English well. Sing. We sing on stage. Cook. She cooks tasty meals. Drink. She drinks water after a workout. Climb. He climbs the mountain easily. Draw. He draws great pictures. Throw. He throws the ball far. Catch. They catch fish by the river. Play. She plays the piano well. Listen. She listens to music at night. Watch. They watch a movie every Friday. Drive. She drives carefully. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Sit. She sits and reads by the window. Stand. He stands by the door. Laugh. They laugh at the joke. Cry. The baby cries when hungry.